Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you 5 HDMI live streaming devices under $500. Coming up next. Okay, so there is some pretty cool live streaming gear under $500, and I thought, I have all this stuff. Why don't I make a video just on everything that's under 500? Make that the cutoff, which is our Blackmagic Web Presenter over here. But to start it off, we have our StarTech USB 2 HD cap, and this is $120, and it takes HDMI and converts it to USB 2, and you can stream it anywhere you want. Super cool, only 120 bucks. It's useful. It is not a frame grabber that you would use with vMix or Wirecast. It is a frame grabber that you can use with their proprietary streaming software. It has a big brother, this is our number 2 here, which gives you HDMI plus the ability to break out and embed dual RCA audio, or even just go for composite audio. So it's a really nice HDMI or composite frame grabber here with an SD card and a streaming port as well, so you can stream right off it. And these two are in this like ridiculously cheap zone where it's like, how are they making these products so low expensive? But you'll see that the frame grabbers up here, the Magewell frame grabbers, this is HDMI to USB 3.0. They have a new version of this. We didn't get in quite yet. It's coming soon. I'll make another video. But it has a loop through, meaning you can plug HDMI in and get HDMI out, but still have the USB to your computer, which is a great thing. And now this product does work with Wirecast, XSplit, vMix. The list kind of goes on and on and on, even like the Facebook live streaming app. This can work with Skype or GoToMeeting or WebEx or QuickTime or Flash Media Encoder. This is like a UVC-enabled USB 3.0, and it does work with USB 2.0 as well product. So this is $300. Okay, the reason why it's so much more expensive than these two is because of that non-proprietary ability to use it with any product, where these two, you have to use the StarTech software, which any professional is going to say no. But for those guys out there who just want something super simple, you just want to capture an HDMI and stream it to YouTube, these still work, and they're great. I got the PTZOptics camera in the middle here just because I wanted to mention every single PTZOptics camera has an HDMI output there. So we can plug this into all of these devices and create some really nice, affordable new live streaming systems for all those different emerging workflows that are available. Here's a new one that I'm guessing a lot of you don't know about yet, but it's still a really great new product. It's the Epifanio Webcaster X1. This one is specifically for YouTube. They have another one specifically for Facebook. And the reason why they did that is because they really are optimizing for the platforms and making the user experience really, really nice and easy. HDMI in, that's the only way to get audio in. You have to have audio coming in over the HDMI, which is a little bit of a hassle because our PTZOptics cameras don't have audio over HDMI. You'd have to use a secondary box to capture audio and embed it into the HDMI in, but you can stream directly to Facebook and YouTube, and these are super great because it's basically an Android computer. You've got a couple USB ports on the side there, and you can actually get keyboard and mouse control, chat. It basically has an HDMI output. So you take HDMI in, your professional camera, HDMI out to a display. It shows you what you're live streaming, allows you to log into YouTube or Facebook, and you can actually interact in the chat room, which is really, really nice. So that is our next feature. Now, our last one here, this one, again, I'm just saying to myself, how do they do it at this price point? This is that Blackmagic Web Presenter here. And just look at the inputs here. We've got 2 HDMIs, an HDMI in and an HDMI out, 2 SDIs, 3 SDIs, an HDMI in, an HDMI out, and a program out. So what this allows you to do is to insert this product directly into your video production workflow, whether you're you have SDI cameras or HDMI cameras, you insert it in, and it gives you USB 2.0 out. It's an optimized low data rate 720p video signal from the Blackmagic Web Presenter, and now you can stream it to, you can plug it into any computer. It doesn't have to be an i7 or an i5. 720p can be handled by most computers out there. You can take that video signal, stream it to YouTube, stream it to Facebook, Twitch, Periscope, Skype, Facebook. The list kind of goes on and on and on. XSplit works with vMix, works with Wirecast. We tested it with a lot of that stuff. And it works with PTZOptics cameras. So those are our 5 live streaming devices that accept HDMI under $500. Kind of give you an idea. Maybe you want to, one of the things I've learned over my years of live streaming and doing video production is it's always about the next iteration. How can I make my setup just a little bit better? Does it mean lights? Does it mean a frame grabber? Does it mean additional piece of hardware? We usually put a lot of things together to create a really great experience. I would suggest building a nice video background before you go spending hundreds of dollars on any equipment, but it's up to you, and we want to show you some of the cool stuff out there. Thanks for watching this video. Let us know which product you like best, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Take care.
Click to watch another exciting PTZOptics video, and don't forget to subscribe. Tune in Fridays at 11 a.m. Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern to join our live show with new industry experts interviewed every week.